How to pay off your investment loan while living abroad. Hey there, global citizens! Whether you moved abroad for work, adventure, or a better life, one thing many expats have in common is debt. More specifically, investment loans. Maybe it's that property you bought back home. Maybe it's a business loan. Either way, today's video will break down how to pay off your investment loan while living abroad smartly, strategically, and stress-free. We're going deep into actionable steps, money management strategies, tools you can use, and mistakes to avoid, so stick around till the end. Number 1. Understand your loan terms. Before you start making aggressive repayments, let's begin with understanding what you signed up for. Whether it's a mortgage, a business loan, or a line of credit, these are the key things to review. Loan type. Is it fixed or variable rate? Interest only or principal plus interest? Interest rate. How is it calculated? Does it adjust over time? Repayment schedule. Monthly, quarterly, annual? Any balloon payments, penalties? Is there a fee for early repayment? You can't fix what you don't fully understand. So grab that loan document, contact your lender if necessary, and clarify all terms. This will form the foundation for everything else. Number 2. Set up a dedicated loan repayment plan. Living abroad usually means your income is in a different currency than your loan. That adds complexity, so here's what you do. Step 1. Set up a multi-currency budget. Use tools like Revolut, Wise, or N26 to manage your income in local and home currencies. Tip: use budgeting apps like YNAB. You need a budget, Pocketsmith, or Excel to plan your income versus repayments. Step 2. Allocate a fixed percentage of your foreign income directly to loan repayments. Most experts recommend 20 to 30% of income if possible. Step 3. Create an automatic transfer system. If your loan is in your home country, automate monthly transfers using low-fee remittance services like Wise or Remitly. Think of your loan repayment like a non-negotiable bill. Automate it, plan around it, and keep it separate from your lifestyle spending. Number 3. Create additional income streams abroad. You can't cut your way out of debt, you've got to earn your way out. Especially while abroad, you often have untapped opportunities. Freelancing, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Toptal let you earn in USD, or you're great for boosting loan repayments. Short-term rentals. If you own property, renting out part of it through Airbnb can cover part of your loan. Teach or tutor, ESL teaching. Digital marketing, coding, online teaching platforms are huge money makers. E-commerce or dropshipping, many expats sell physical or digital products online. Passive income, anyone, remote investing, ETFs, dividend stocks, or REITs, especially ones that pay in the same currency as your loan. The goal: build a secondary income stream just for the loan. Treat it like it doesn't exist. Every extra dollar you earn goes toward paying off your investment loan faster. Number 4. Convert currency smartly. Currency exchange can kill your budget if you're not careful. A 2 to 3% hidden fee adds up fast. Use low-fee services. Wise, OFX, and Revolut offer transparent exchange rates. Timing matters. Use alerts and FX trend analysis to transfer money when the exchange rate is in your favor. Set up auto swaps. Some platforms let you schedule recurring currency conversions. By reducing your transfer fees and converting at the right time, you could save hundreds, even thousands every year. That's extra money for your loan. Number 5. Prioritize high-interest loans first. If you have multiple loans, prioritize the debt avalanche. Method: focus first on the loan with the highest interest rate while paying the minimum on the others. Pay off high-interest debt first, then move to the next highest. Lower your total interest paid. Alternatively, if you're someone who needs motivation, try the debt snowball method. Start with the smallest loan and knock it out. Either way, stick to your plan. Number 6. Consider refinancing options. Refinancing can reduce your interest rate, extend your payment period, or switch currencies to better match your income. Benefits of refinancing while abroad: lower monthly payments, better interest rates due to foreign income. Loan consolidation. Talk to your lender or a financial advisor about refinancing, especially if your income has gone up or the currency you're earning in is now stronger. Number 7. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Living abroad can make you feel rich, especially if your income is in a stronger currency. But be careful of lifestyle inflation. Don't upgrade your apartment every 6 months. Don't eat out 5 nights a week just because you can. Instead, keep your living costs low and redirect the difference to your loan. Remember, freedom is better than fancy. Paying off your loan early will buy you more options in the future. Number 8. Build an emergency buffer. Life abroad can be unpredictable. Losing your job, visa changes, or economic instability happen. Set aside 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Keep it in a liquid, accessible savings account, preferably in the country you reside in. You don't want to miss loan payments just because of an emergency. A solid financial cushion ensures that your repayment plan stays intact no matter what. Number 9. Track progress and stay motivated. Progress builds motivation. Use trackers like InDebt.it, Mint, Good Budget. Break your loan down into milestones. Celebrate when you cross each one. Don't spend too much. Reward yourself with experiences, not expenses. A small weekend trip, sure, a new Rolex. Maybe after you're 100% debt-free. Paying off your investment loan while living abroad is absolutely doable. It just takes a plan, consistency, and a little hustle. Let me know in the comments what kind of investment loan are you working on. Property, business, something else. And if you want a free loan repayment planner I created just for this video, the link is in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to hear this today. Wherever you are in the world, keep growing and keep glowing. See you in the next video.